It's a track hawk.
Oh yeah.
Hellcats. JQ in the building.
Hit on that shit. He ain't.
That shit can grab better than his,
You leaving, nice car though. Alright, YouTube, basically, we just doing a car wash right here. So y'all can see. You know, it came out pretty good. I still gotta do something with the rims before the car show tonight. You feel me? You got your boy K-Dot on the 4 right here. He doing his little thing.
You already know what the fuck going on, man. We can go chill the street.
The yellow calipers, them nice.
Fucking window.
You can't fuck with these, bro.
Shorty just dropped it. Damn, that motherfucker nasty.
They dipping. We going, bro. They dipping. So it's gonna be y'all too. See, man, that's Minneapolis, like the city. So I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that's where we headed. And you feel me? Like, there was some cops. They called the cops on us, so that's why we leaving. And you feel me? So we lost the other guys though because there was a fucking red light. So it is what it is though. It's gonna keep on you feel me, doing our thing. Yerp. Hopefully this dude don't fucking hit me, bro. You can hit that motherfucking V6, whatever the fuck he got. It's the Camaro gang, huh? Psych. It's like busting, like. Alright, so I'm behind this fucking. Oh, look at all these damn cars I'm passing. Ooh. Where they going on? I gotta go in this lane. I don't know where the fuck they going, but I'm following this dude right here. This guy too. Where the fuck is they going? See, we're at the second location, man.
Got these pains.
Pulled up deep as hell. Yeah, that's
That
the sound.
motherfucker.
Like this. It's a track hawk.
Oh yeah.
That shit, Hellcats and shit. It's another Hellcat. Man, that shit look nice.
We got lights on the other tire. That shit gonna
Yeah. Yep. This one too. I think they all Hellcats. Yeah, that's a scat.
This better be. This is scat too. Yeah, this is scat.
Get my Instagram on there.
This yours?
That's mine.
Oh, this is
That's
392.
big bro shit. Hey.
TV too.
Yeah, it red. I started off with drag race, supercharger, nitrous, the whole works.
It's nice.
Stay in the street.
Damn,
My fault, my fault.
Y'all ass not getting this no more. Come on. Go straight.
My fault.
go, we gotta go. Hey, Toddy, make it straight. Hey, how you about to swing that though? You YouTube? Come in. Yeah.
JQ in the building.
Pull that hoe. What you gonna do? What you on with him? What you gonna do? What you gonna
Shit, we got this place, SRT.
He came in this bitch with a hit on that shit. He put his own logo on that.
Is that a demon? What is that?
No, he put his own logo.
Oh, that's a scat pack.
He put his own shit on there.
Don't ever show them their cars. Got everybody pulling in.
Hey, bro, this motivation, this was meant for us to come out here, bro. Because look, real shit. Now we can go start ordering our license shit for our car.
Get here at 12. Oh, they right there.
That ain't bad.
That's the fire truck.
Everybody was gonna get up out this bitch.
Bro.
5.0. You can hear his shit melt on AC.
Look at the tires.
Now spin that bitch and go home for the night. Fuck these niggas. Hey, that bitch.
Tell them, girl. All you gotta do is tell them.
Make your way out. Bring it out this way.
He's trying to get out. Me leaving. Nice car though. Say Hellcat, bro. Oh, you see that tire?
Damn. Y'all see that shit? This is a scat pack, yo. This is scary. That's a scat pack.
It's trapped. They trapped.
I got the What's up, buddy? My life. What's he doing? Come out!
Hey, back!
I go. Hey, something's wrong over there. My baby boy. Seal! Seal! He's not. Go.
They getting free shows here on Baby.
Dude, making sense. Dang. That is awesome. You are good, dude. Let's go! Let's go! Burn it! Fuck the red light! Hold on, bro. In that bitch. Black light back. Let's go. Burn it. Burn it. Let's go. Hey, watch out. Everybody back up. Back up. Hey, back up, back up.
As y'all can see, yo. Yeah. Alright guys, so you guys seen from those clips last night is definitely not to remember, you know. I gotta fix my tires, of course. That's something I'm not, like, it's gonna be a lot of money to fix those. And I'm not gonna lie, I was going on like 5 minutes straight just doing burnouts and shit. And bro, all of a sudden I just heard it pop. And I looked and I seen like one of the tire strips, it was like fucking off the tires. I'm like, damn bro, I gotta drive home now. So that's what happened. And right now I'm about to just go to the shop, get some new tires. And yeah man, learned my lesson, no more burnouts. But obviously car meets have to be happening every week. Like this is my thing now. Anyways, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this video. Bye.